Hi students, this is Coach Ideal again, and it's already Monday, and I'm sure some of you have already started your final year exams. So what I want to go through today is just a simple breakdown of the topic factorization. Okay, factorization. This is one topic that this is one of the most fundamental subtopic in algebra, and some students have difficulty in recognizing what kind of factorization method you should apply. So I'm going to share a simple table where you can remember and recognize what kind of method to use for what kind of expression. Okay, so this is what I always show my students. Under the chapter of factorization or topic factorization, we have the most fundamental type, which is the basic factorization, where you take out the common factors. Okay, so if there's an example, if there is 2a plus 4b, so you factorize them, you will get 2 bracket a plus 2b. So this is basic factorization. And the second part, the second layer is the special products. Special products. Okay, so some of you are not sure what is this special products. This method is used when you have two terms in the expression. For example, a square minus b square. If you see something like this, then you must use the special products. How you factorize this? It is basically a square plus, this is basically a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so the number 2 here represents the number of terms. If there are two terms, this is the number 2, which is special products. So that is why I am arranging the methods in this order. All right, so let's see what is number 3. This is the cross factorization. This is when you have a quadratic equation. For example, x squared plus 3x plus 2. So when you see 3 terms, so this is number 3. When you see 3 terms, you use the cross factorization method. What is cross factorization? Just remember this. You have to use this method. Okay. Some schools call this the window method. Some schools calls this the frame method. I know of some schools who tell the students this is the Ultraman method. I don't know why, but yes, those are the different terms or names given to this type of factorization. Okay, so you need to input all the terms here, and I'm sure you will be able to recall what is this cross factorization, right? And the last one for you guys is by grouping. Okay, factorization by grouping. So you will have an expression with 4 terms. So because it's number 4, maybe you have AB plus AC, and then plus a maybe DE plus and a DA, DC plus DB. Okay, it is something like this. You have 4 terms, and you know at the end of your working, you are going to get this term and this term. You will have 2 terms inside the bracket. Okay, so let's remember in this manner. The first kind of factorization is the basic factorization. Second, number 2 is for special products. So if you see 2 terms, which is number 2, it is special products. Number 3 is for 3 terms. So 3 terms, you do cross factorization. Okay, the last one is grouping, and if you see 4 terms, if you see 4 terms, you know it is number 4, which is grouping. So try to remember this in this manner, and you will be able to do your factorization. Of course, you need to practice. Okay, but before I end, I would like to remind you that for step number 2, step 3, or step 4, sorry, for type 1, type 2, type 3, and type 4, you might have to do basic factorization first before you can apply any of these three. Okay, maybe your school is going to add a higher level order thinking questions, so you have to remember, if you can't apply the special products, maybe there is something that you need to do first, which is do your basic factorization. Okay, a very classic example is this kind of question, 2a square minus 50b square. Okay, let's look at this example. Let me zoom in. So you have 2a square minus 50b square, and if you know your special products, you will not be able to factorize this in this manner. So what you need to do first is do a basic factorization, take out the common factor, which is 2, and you will have a square minus 25b square. Okay, so now do you see that this is doable for special products? So now we factorize this, you will get 2a minus 5b and a plus 5b. Okay, so this is just one example where you need to do basic factorization first, followed by your special products factorization. Okay, so I hope you will be able to see, or you have a better understanding, okay, a more comprehensive understanding on factorization. There are 4 kinds. Okay, the basic factorization, 2 is for special products, 3 is for cross factorization, and 4 terms is for grouping. Okay, so if you're not sure, if you need any further clarifications, you can always contact me on my Facebook or in my Facebook page, which is Zyd Math Academy, ZYDMATHACADEMY. Okay, so this is Coach Ideal signing off.